My people, how are we all doing? And welcome back to today's tutorial, guys. So we are tying this, should I call it gele or headband or head wrap, whatever it is, just name it. I don't know what to call it, name it anything you like. So we are going to try this, and this is what I'll be using. And it's just like carton and my material. If you don't have carton or anything to put inside, it's not necessary, but I use this in this tutorial. So how we all doing? Hope we're fine. This material is in 3 layers, so that is it. I place it at the middle, then I roll it up there, guys. So that is what we will be doing now. You can see I'm still in the process of rolling it, so watch, guys. So after that, you can see I'm done with wrapping it up. Then I place it on my head. I try to adjust it. After adjusting, I'll be knotting at the back. So now I'm working with the smallest and this material, the smallest part. So I just arrange it well and I place it there. I'll be needing my office pin to grab it down. So I'll be working with this one now, this longer part. So it's just the same process. I'll just arrange it, fold it like that, fold it up very well to the last edge, then I'll place it on my head. Watch. So guys, I'm done with pinning down at that particular side. You can see as shown in the video. So the excess that we have here, we just do it the way you are seeing it. Just place it down, adjust it, and you're going to be grabbing it down with your office pen. So we'll put the same thing to the other edge here. Here I'm just trying to adjust it to give it that shape, guys. Just checking it out before I proceed to the second stage. Watch. So I loosen that one up, then I'm making rows, I'm forming rows with it now. So let's check it out. How does it look, guys? If you have watched this length, you haven't followed, you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, and leave your comment below. Thanks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.